Hi, this is Rob Rose again, president of True AP. Today what we're going to be doing is taking you through one of our quickness drills, and we're going to be focusing on foot quickness. We're going to be utilizing a Spark training ladder that we like to use, and sometimes people call it an agility ladder, but what we're going to use it for is quick feet. We're going to be going through linear ladder drills today, just straight ahead drills, focusing on making sure that our muscles are firing quick and our feet are having short, very quick movements, just focusing on that quick muscle fiber. Okay, I've got Matt, Aaron, and Chris here, Vice Presidents of True AP. They're going to help us demonstrate the 6 basic linear drills that we're going to go through. What I'm going to have them do is go through the drill once, let you see them all go through the drill at a relatively slow pace so you can kind of watch them. Then I'm going to actually focus you guys in a little closer on their feet at that same pace. Then I'm going to ask them to go through one more time at a real quick pace where we ultimately want you and your athletes to be able to get to. The first drill that we're going to do is going to be called running singles. All right, one at a time, gentlemen. Make sure that we go at a pace that you can control, arms involved, real quick feet, and running singles. Ready? Go. Real quick through. See the arms are driving, and go. Right by the hips. They're looking down at the ladder. All right, Chris, ready? And go. Making sure we control it. All right, now before we focus in on that, what I really wanted you to see on that one as well, and you'll see it on the third set, the quicker they move their hands right here by the hips, the quicker their feet are going to move. And that's going to be a real big thing that's going to help you and your athletes focus on the dynamic of this. And again, it's quick feet. That's our dynamic here. All right, let's get in a little closer onto the ladder. Really watch their feet. Gentlemen, the same pace as we're going through. Real quick feet, balls to the feet, running singles. Ready? Go. Real quick, good, very nice, and go. We're focusing on staying on the feet on this. Ready? And go. Excellent. All right, now we're back up. We're back up to seeing the entire body, and I really want you to focus on how fast they're going to move their arms, which is going to help their feet move faster. Everything we want to do in ladder drills has got to be controlled. We have the ladder here, and we're only supposed to be stepping in the rungs there. Stay off the green, stay off the black. We shouldn't have to say that, but sometimes we do. Okay, last time of running singles, really watch the arms as they go through. Gentlemen, as fast as you can. Ready, and go. Real quick arms. Very good. Ready, and go. Excellent. Last one. Ready, go. Real quick arms, good. And what you'll see there is they get the drill in the beginning of the ladder, get the control of it, and then they start moving their arms and feet a lot quicker. Again, we're not focusing on linear running speed here. We're focusing on just the muscles firing real quick, okay, and keeping the knees down. Our next one we're going to do is what's called running doubles. Now in this one, we're going to ask the athletes in the 3 sets that we do to rotate or switch which foot that they actually start with first. Any double type movement, anyone we're going to have an even number of steps, we'll ask our athletes to start with the right foot, and the next time they come up, start with the left. So we're staying up, seeing it real slow and controlled, gentlemen. I want the arms down by the hips, driving. Let's start with our left leg first. Left leg first, and running doubles. Ready, go. Running doubles, very good, controlled, hitting every step, and go. Good, excellent, ready, and go. Now what we're going to do now is going to drop back down, focus again on the feet. I'm switching to the right foot. So they're now going to lead with their right foot on this one. What we're noticing here is how they're controlling their steps and their feet are barely coming up over the rungs. That's the key to this. All right, focusing in on the feet, same pace that you just did, gentlemen, leading right foot. Ready? Go. Leading right, controlling it as quick as we can. Ready, go. Barely bringing the feet up off the ground, and go. Good. All right, now last one. Again, the most important one as we get better, and what you heard me say last time, and I'll say a lot, is I want the athletes to actually move as fast as they can. These 3 athletes are different. Just like your team is going to have athletes that are different. Some are going to be quicker than others. So you go at the speed that you can, but make sure, especially in drills like this, that we actually get the drill first, then pick up the speed. Okay? Proper form and technique comes first, then the speed comes. Here we go. Never sacrificing form for speed. Gentlemen, we're back to left foot leading. Get the arms involved and as quick as you can with running doubles. And go. Left foot leading, go, 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 go. Real quick through, ready, go. Good, excellent, ready, go. Good. Now what you saw there, even with my athletes here that have done this hundreds of times, you're still going to get athletes that are actually going to hit it. But did they stop the drill? No. They kept moving through it. Okay, it barely moved this ladder. That's actually why we like using this ladder from Spark. And we're going to keep using ladders like this that don't move a lot even when they do hit them. The next drill we're going to do is another relatively simple drill. It's called a bunny hop drill. Now when we're hopping like this, our goal is, again, just get quick up off the ground, barely up over that rung, which is maybe a ½ inch high. Okay, again, bunny hops, controlled movement as we go forward. You're going to see that they're going to have a slight lean as they go through. We're also going to see the arms moving just slightly as we go through on them. Gentlemen, controlled bunny hops. Ready? Go. Good, good. Ready? Go. Go. Real quick. Slow and controlled. All right, now we're going to watch the feet now again as we go through this, focusing down on the feet on this bunny hops drill. Real quick up off the ground, same pace right there, gentlemen. Ready, go. Good, 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 good. Ready, go. Excellent. Touch and go, touch and go, touch and go, and go. Once you hit the ground, you're right back off. All right, now, the issue that we are going to have with our athletes in this is that they're going to get their body moving faster than their feet are going to move. Sometimes that's not such a bad thing because we actually want the athletes to be challenged a little bit more to really try and make their feet move quicker. But as I mentioned before, form and technique is key. Never sacrifice form for speed. Okay, form has got to be the key in all of our drills that we do. Okay, back up on the athletes, watching how they go through as quick as they possibly can, as you possibly can, Matt. Ready? Go. Real quick through. Aaron getting ready, and go. Real quick through. Good, excellent. Ready? Go. Good, touch and go, touch and go, touch and go, touch and go. Excellent. That's a tough one to not hit the rungs on, but they did a very good job on that. Okay, on to another double. Okay, double jumping move, again, real quick. We're going to add a little bit of lateral movement in this, but it's still focusing on going forward. This is called lateral hops. They're going to start inside the ladder with 1 foot in, 1 foot out. The same movement with the arms, just like we did with bunny hops, okay? Just the kind of arms moving right here by the hips, real small, real controlled, real quick. Again, controlling the move, watch how close they stay to the ladder. They're not trying to jump way out on the ladder because we're focusing on what? Quickness. All right, gentlemen, lateral hops, ready, go. Touch and go, very good, ready, go. Controlled moves, good, ready, go. You might see him as you watch the athletes here, how fluid and efficient they move. Will your athletes get there? Yes, they will. But this is the form that we're looking for. You see all their arms were swaying side to side because arms help the feet move quicker, even in a jumping drill like this. All right, now, lateral hops, let's focus on the feet. Gentlemen, same pace. Ready, ready, go. Nice and quick, touch and go. Ready, go. Watching the feet, how they're close to the ladder on this. Ready, go. We're not way outside the ladder as we go through because, again, we're not focusing on power. We're not focusing on linear running form. We're focusing on the quick, fast twitch muscle fibers firing real fast. All right, now we're going to be focused on them. It's going to be as fast as they can go. The closer they are to the ladder on the outsides, the faster they're going to be. Ready, ready, go. Real quick, touch and go. Excellent. Ready, go. And they start out slower and pick up the pace. Ready, go. Get the drill right and then go fast as they possibly can. Excellent. We like to do that again. Let the athletes get the drill first and then really pick up the pace. All right, now we're going to get a little bit more advanced here. This drill we call the 33s, or what some of you might have seen in the years of doing ladders is called the Icky Shuffle. Because there's going to be 3 main steps in this. And though we're going to be moving slightly out to the side, it's still, again, a linear drill. My athletes are going to start out relatively slow on this. Okay, guys, I kind of want you to walk through it on this first set. When you get halfway through on the ladder, you could pick up the pace to about 3/4 of your speed. But I really need to see them, let the athlete or let the coaches and athletes see that this is actually how to really do this drill on 33s. All right, watching the total body on this, real slow at first, and then pick up the speed at halfway. Ready? Go, Matt. Easy, good. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. In, out. Very good. Now he picks up the pace a little bit. Perfect pace, Matt, for us to be able to see it. Aaron, same thing. Ready? Go. In, out. In, out. In, out. Excellent. Look at how he's involved with his feet. Good, and he picks up the pace at midway. All right, Chris, go ahead. Real slow and controlled, in, out. Look at the rhythm that they're getting. Look at how they know exactly where they're going, and then they'll pick up the pace. All right, we're now on the feet. Same thing on that pace, gentlemen. That was perfect. Real slow and controlled at first, then pick up the pace. Ready? Go. Slow and controlled. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Excellent. Ready? Go. You hear my cues. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, or in, out. Chris, ready? Go. In, out, in, out as they go through, and then they'll be able to pick up the pace. Now, what you're going to see on this now, when they pick up this speed, they're going to be flying through this. Your athletes will not get here. They won't get here right away. But if they get that form and technique down and just keep going over the repetition of this, they will. And this will help their muscles fire quick. All right, gentlemen, it's as fast as you can go. Okay, real close to the outside of the ladders. Ready, go. Real quick on 33 is excellent. Ready, Aaron? Go. Real quick through. Gets the rhythm down on the first couple of rungs. Ready, go. And then flies through as we go through. Excellent. Now, you saw how they were moving their arms on a odd number of steps. They're kind of moving their arms here, just like this. Control them. They're still moving their arms. They're not holding them down by the sides. Let's get those arms moving, even on an odd drill like 33s. That was excellent. This is going to be our last drill of 6. This is what we call 44s. Again, trying to make it simple for us to be able to remember. We are going to have 2 steps in the rungs and then 2 steps directly outside of the rungs. Now, the key to this drill and doing it correctly is that you have to step in going forward. When you step out of the ladder, close to the black part of the ladder, you want to make sure that you step directly out to the sides. If we find that you're going to step in as you go forward and then out and you step forward, your feet are going to get caught behind your body and you're not going to be able to catch up and you're going to fall forward, you're going to miss some rungs. In going forward, out to the side. Gentlemen, just like we did with 33s, real slow up to midway. Let them see it. As I said before, make sure, folks, that on an even numbered drill that we tell them what foot to step with first. Let's start with left foot first, so in left, in right, out left, out right. Then next time we go through, we'll lead with our right foot. All right, real slow and controlled on 44s. Ready? Go. In, out, in, out. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now pick up the pace, Matt. Good. And Aaron, go. In, forward, out, directly to the side. You see how he's doing that? He steps forward into the ladder. Ready, Chris? And go. Slow and controlled. In, out. Very good, very good. And I know that you guys probably are noticing this because I keep emphasizing it. What are they moving? Not just their feet, but their hands. Not real big strides with the hands because we only want real quick feet. All right, let's focus on the feet a little bit. Same pace, slow and controlled, gentlemen. Let's lead right this time. Lead right. Ready? Go. In, directly out to the sides. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. In, out. Ready? Go. Good. Very good. Nice and slow and controlled. Nice and slow. Now pick it up. All right, ready? Go. In, out. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now pick up the speed. Good. Focusing on the feet as we go through. All right. Now, as fast as they can go through our last drill of 44s. Watch their arms. Watch their feet. Watch the control that they have. Here we go, gentlemen. As fast as you can go right from the start. Ready? Go. Real quick. Excellent. Look at how quick we're moving those feet. Ready? Go. Good. Ready? Go. Quick feet, quick arms. And you probably can't see it or hear it, but they're breathing pretty heavy. Even in a drill here, which is only about 10 yards long in this ladder, they're actually breathing heavy. On these explosive type drills, we're looking for that. We want you to, at every time, after we get that form and technique down, give us 100%. All right, guys, that was True AP's linear ladder drills, the 6 basic drills. Make sure we focus on that for focusing on just on quick feet. All right, thanks, and we'll see you again with the True AP training systems.